How's it, bro? How's it, bro? Yo, it broke out there. Guys, just send the links to the group. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'll just tweet quickly. Wait 1 second. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'll just... Guys, like the live, please. Bismillah. We say Bismillah again. What's the time now? 24. Let's look at Nasdaq real quickly. I'll give you guys maybe if you want to trade Nasdaq. Those of you want to trade Nasdaq, we could look at Nasdaq. It is my account funded. Hey. Okay, it's funded. Okay, quick look at Nasdaq for those that want to trade Nasdaq. I don't trade Nasdaq for news. Maybe I might look at it now. I don't know. I still don't know. It's like in the middle of a range. You check, so it's like very difficult to actually tell us what's gonna happen, right? Okay, we got this. We've got that gap there. Nasdaq, I think Nasdaq will buy, guys. Nasdaq will be a buy, okay, because we tapped into this 1 hour gap and we respected it. So if you want to trade Nasdaq, I'm saying buy Nasdaq, right? And targets will be this 1 hour gap at the top here. There's obviously no stop loss, so that doesn't make any sense, right? That doesn't make any difference. But if you want to buy Nasdaq, you can. Gold, I don't know gold. Yo, guys, honestly, like it's honestly so difficult to predict gold right now. Sell on Nasdaq. I'm saying buys on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, this is my basically quick analysis that I did here quickly. We tapped into this 1 hour gap here. I might actually trade Nasdaq, honestly. Yeah, the whole war is basically gonna attack it. Basically. I'm thinking we enter after the spike on gold, right? So we're not gonna enter now, right? I'm not gonna enter now. But if you want to trade Nasdaq, I think Nasdaq will buys on gold, bro. Bro, it's honestly it's like a 50-50 with gold, right? With gold right now. What you can do is, because you see, right, it's in the middle of a range, okay? It's been ranging basically the entire day, right? So I could say it could buy, it could sell, it could buy. It's honestly, it's very tricky right now. Okay, my analysis basically just broke this trend line, so you could say we could buy, and it's still on this trend line. It's sitting on this trend line, so it could be a sell also. If it breaks below, it could be a sell, but looks like it's buying right now. I didn't enter any time yet. I think we could buy gold also. I think if we stay above this trend line before 27. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna enter a few lots. Okay. So I got 10,000 rand. I'm not gonna full port, right? I'm not full porting, and I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna open a few positions. Okay. I'm not full porting. Okay. I'm not full porting, right? I'm gonna wait and see what happens, right? I'm gonna wait to see what happens. and I'll maybe it looks like we're gonna be selling here, so I will open a few sells, right? But I'm not full porting. So if you want a full port and risk your entire account, go and do it. You can do that there. And after the spike, after we get the spike, I will enter again, right? So if we do, say for example, if we do spike up, I can enter maybe more sells here. But if you spike down, right, buy or sell. I'm thinking we're selling, but we're gonna get a spike. I have a feeling we are gonna get a spike, right? We're gonna get a spike. Nasdaq, I think we should get full straight. I reckon we're gonna be buying for Nasdaq. Gold, yes, gold. Nasdaq buys gold. I'm we in the middle of a range, so I'm thinking we're gonna sell, right? So I'm not gonna full port. Okay, I'm not full porting. If you want a full port, you can full port. That's on your own risk. But I'm not gonna full port. I'm gonna open a few positions. I've got 10,000 rand in my account, so maybe I'll open a 0.01 or not 0.0, maybe like a 0.05 or something like that. And then if it does, maybe I'll try and catch a buy up afterwards. So if you can get a sell down here, buy up, or you can also get a buy up here, and then I can open more sells afterwards right there. So it's a very tricky one, guys. It's a very, very tricky one. I have the feeling we are gonna get a whiplash. We are getting a whiplash. I have a feeling, right? So just be careful, guys. Just be careful with this with CPI. Okay, they be buying up there. Okay, it's spiking up. He's spiking up. Okay, it's spiking up. I'm entering. I'm gonna enter sales. I'm entering sales, guys. I'm entering. I'm in sales, guys. I'm in sales, guys. We pushing down. We're pushing down. Come on. Okay, it spiked up and then it spiked down. Let's see. There we go. Spiked down. There we go. There we go. You can close your trade if you're happy in profit. Oh shit. Shit, shit, shit. I didn't close. Okay, we're back in profit. This is a shit spike. Yo, guys, yo. You guys can close. You should be in profits. If you open at the spike, I told you guys it will spike up and then it'll spike down, right? So you can close your trade if you're happy with your profits, guys. I think I'm gonna close because it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. How did Nasdaq do? Shit. Nasdaq bought. I told you guys Nasdaq is in a buy. I don't know. I don't know who traded Nasdaq, but you should be cooking there. It's sold. Okay, we're in the blues. We're in the blues for gold. I didn't make much with this thing. I didn't full pull properly. Yeah, yeah. I didn't make much, guys. I made like over only 1,000 rand something. Okay, there we go, 2,000. We could get the spike down now. Yeah, it's a small spike, guys. It was a small spike. Lucky we market doesn't know what he wants to do. Like that's what the guy is saying now. It's a small spike, but we made profits. The main thing is we made profits. I'm happy with the profit. Profit at least profit is profit. Okay, it still it looks like it doesn't know what it wants to do. Market doesn't know what he wants to do. So close your trade, guys. It's not looking good. It's spiking both ways. Everything. It's a shit CPI. I can't lie. But it's. I would say it's a win for us. I guess. Okay. So done. I'm out. I close it, guys. I closed it. I made about today. I made about 3,000 rand from the 10,000 rand account. It was a shit CPI, guys. I entered once we spiked up. I entered. It was a shit spike, guys. But as long as we made profit, we good. As long as you guys made profit, we good. I made about 8,000 rand. So with in total profits today. So I'm happy with that. Terrible. It was terrible, guys. Zero spike. Those of you who did trade Nasdaq, you guys should have cooked there. I did say Nasdaq will buy there, then sold. Oh, one spike there. Now it's dropping. Now this thing is dropping. Oh my days. Profits is profits. Happens. Yeah. It's we can't do anything about this. This is the market conditions. That's how it is, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Nothing we can do, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys make profit. Every drop, not gonna lie, yeah, that's a heavy drop there. But I hope you guys made something. You know, as long as we didn't make a loss, that's all it is. So, but the prediction was basically spot on. We'll spike up, then we'll enter sells, and then oh my days, bro, look at that spike down. Yes, yes, guys. But basically, I was hoping we could get a strong spike down. So this was my initial trade here. This was basically what I was saying. Like if we could spike something like this and then spike all the way down here, but we didn't get that. I basically exited like somewhere there. I caught this right now. Yo, you're lucky. You're lucky. You're lucky. I closed this thing. I wasn't. This thing was looking sus. I closed it. I closed the cells. How was everyone in the group? It's vying down. Nah, it's gonna hit the full TP there. That's where I was gonna have TP. There we go. It's gonna hit the full TP where I had initially I was planning on hitting. Could reverse from here because it did reverse from them previously, but it could even drop and fill this 1 hour gap here. So I don't know. Yeah, I would say you can buy I would say we could even buy right now, maybe. No, no, it's not, don't buy that, guys. I'm looking at maybe if we come back, we fill this gap here, we could buy up. Looks like we're buying up from the 174 area. Yo, what's this thing doing now? Now it's buying up from there. Gonna wait and see. Maybe we might catch a buy up, but I'm not really content with what it's doing now. I'm not really happy with what it's doing now. So let's just see. Needs to give me a bit more confirmation, then I'll take a buy. Okay, good buy up from here. Let's see. Let's see how this thing reacts here, right? If we have a positive reaction, we could take a buy. It might drop, yeah, it might drop. But man, I'm looking at maybe it might come and fill this gap here. This. Let's see now. Let's see. So it filled that 15-minute gap that I was looking at earlier. It filled that 15-minute gap that I was looking at earlier. So let's just see. Maybe buy at 5173. I initially had buys at 5170. If you guys are in the group, you guys will know 5170. Still gonna trade Nasdaq. Now I'm not gonna trade Nasdaq. If there's news that we don't trade Nasdaq, we don't trade in afterwards in New York session. We chill. I'm thinking 5170. We could buy from there. That's where I initially in the morning, early in the morning, I said we could buy from there. We didn't, and the price didn't get there as yet. The whole day we're waiting. I'm checking my charts here. Guys, please put your 5172 was the zone. Yeah, 5170, 5172. They even touched that zone. Wait. It touched that zone. It's basically almost touched it and then. Please put the W in. What W? No, we're not in buys yet. We're not in buys yet. I'm thinking I wanted to come here, 5-1 around this fair value gap. I want to see a reaction of this fair value gap right here. Right? So a reaction here, like around here maybe. If you could get a reaction here, right? Could take a buy and target these highs here basically. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Made some small blues and now in a lacquer though. Yeah, the spike wasn't lacquer initially, but afterwards it spiked all the way down. We could have, I don't know, I should have held this thing. Yo, US 30 Nasdaq all dumped. It's just consolidating now currently. Just consolidating right now. It's playing off that 1 hour gap. That 15-minute fair value gap that I marked out there. Basically, it's playing on that. We're dropping. I wanted to come here. Come on, give me this structure. Come here, bro. You can take a buy and I see. And I see. Obviously, I'm not gonna enter straight away, right? I'm not entering straight away. I'm waiting for some sort of reaction from here, right? Some sort of reaction that we can see, and then we can take it up here. So I'll see a tap of this 1 hour gap right here. Let me just make it big. I don't know if you guys can see properly. Basically, what I want to see is a market to come all the way down here, right? Respect it. So somewhere probably around here or something, right? And then we'll take our trade. So most likely, what's gonna happen, right? If my analysis would be right? So it'll create basically come the way down here, respect it, and then push up basically, and then we'll take our entry. We'll take our entry not just off straight over here. There will be a fair value gap here basically that will form right here. We will take it off the inverse gap. Okay, so that's what I'm hoping right now. If we don't get that, then we can call it a day, right? We can call it a day. Let's see now. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see if I'm correct. Okay. Let's see if I'm correct. Okay, so we it's still dropping. Obviously, this was the low that was created for the day. So this red line that I drew right there. So now I'm waiting for it to come here. Let's see if we get the reaction that I want. Time frame IFBG. I can enter off the 1 minute, the 5 minute, whatever it is. I'm looking at the 1 minute. Okay, so we're waiting. We're waiting. Let's see. Let's just see how this goes. Okay, there we go. My tap there now. Respect it, please. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if what happens now. If we react off this gap here, let's see what happens. Let's see how we react off this gap here, right? Okay, there's our reaction of the thing, right? Oh my days, it's reacting very well. But that's not exactly what I want to see. I want to see a bit of a bit of structure get formed. Okay. Okay, let's see. I didn't really do what I wanted it to do, but you see, it reacted straight away, right? I wanted it to build a bit of structure. Okay, so what I wanted it to actually do was basically react here, basically create like a V shape like this, and then we could take a trade like that. But it sounds reacted straight up there. Okay, so let's just see if it retests, right? Well, it looks that's 100 falling. Yeah, that's it's falling. I checked just how it was falling. It's reacted so well off this thing. We'd be up if we did take it straight away. Yeah, we'd been up so well. Yo, it's buying up. How much you made?
No, on CPI I made like 100 only.
Huh?
Then the small up down scalps, like just consolidating, then I made like 500 out of.
So how much in total?
Huh?
How much in total?
700.
No, not bad. 700. Then we're reacting off this gap here. Let's see. Coming to retest now, basically. We're coming to retest. Let's see how it goes. It's coming to retest this low, this previous low here. So this is basically, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, that's good, bro. At least if you're making profit, if you make profit, that's good. Then there's no need to catch the buy up. I only made about okay. I don't know. I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I made about 3,000 rand, uh, basically. But it wasn't like I was risking 10,000 rand. So yeah, I'm like I'm looking for a trade now. I'm trying to look for something. Maybe at least make at least another 2,000 rand. I'll be happy. So at least maybe 5,000 rand for CPI. I can say I can call this call it a day. But if you guys want to call it a day, you made your profit, then yeah. As long as the main thing is we didn't lose, right? If you guys, no one can complain that they didn't make something, right? That's obviously. I came back. It's looking like it's fine. Yeah, 100%. Something better than nothing. As long as you guys made profit, that's the main thing. As long as you guys made something. Look how nice it bought up from there. That's exactly where I said it'll buy 170 at this fair value gap. But look at it. Azim, can you show the TP for the buy? Please, the TP for the buy. I was looking at these eyes that were created here, basically. Could say maybe that basically that. Which is at 5195, basically. Or you could say even if you want to be I don't know, this could be even a target. I don't know, this could very well be a target. 5200. 5200 could very well be a target. 5200 plus. Shukran. I was just playing around this 15-minute gap. Can you trade with 16 rand in your account? Yeah, you can trade with 16 rand, use the center count. You can trade with even 1 rand with the center count. The 1 rand in your account, you can trade you can trade even. I lost 100. How you lost 100, bro? How you lost 100? How did you even lose 100, bro? Like it was like unless you sold, obviously. I did tell you guys I'm waiting for the spike up. That was what I told you guys. Unless you sold, yeah, and then you probably got cooked. I don't know if you even know that was much drawdown if you did open, yeah. I mean, yeah, okay, yeah, you probably could have blown. You could have 100% blown over here. I did tell you guys wait for that spike. Wait for that spike, and then we caught it there. We did catch CPI quite nicely today, guys. We caught CPI pretty good. We wait for the spike, and then we did exactly that. And I told you guys we're gonna get that spike. We're gonna get the whiplash, and we did get the whiplash. I'm a beginner, bro. But I told you all what to do. I made it clear, Xe. I made it clear, bro. I made it clear that we wait for the spike. We wait for the spike. That was I told you guys. Wait for the spike, and then we enter afterwards. But okay, next time, next time. Hey, it's rejecting of my imaginary FPG. I put an imaginary FPG there. Okay, it's coming to retest. Let's see now. Let's see now. Let's see how this thing. Okay, it's dropping now still. Okay, now there we go. That's what I'm talking now. Right, so I want to see this gap get inverse. Then I'm gonna take a trade here. Okay, it's rejecting of that inverse gap, inverse fair value gap, right? Salams Buta Azim, Salams Marwan Azim, my brother. I got 400 Rand. Oh my god, it's rejected off that inverse favor gap. We might even drop lower, guys. We might even drop lower. We might even fill this gap and then we might shoot up from there. No, don't buy now. Don't buy now. We're waiting. We wait now. It rejected off this gap. So I'm waiting now. It looks like we're gonna be filling this gap. Is it a strong buy zone? Yeah, it was the zone was holding on earlier, obviously, but now at CPI we might even drop lower, guys. Looks like we might fill this 1 hour gap. And you see we basically we're dropping lower. There we go. We're filling this gap. There we go. Let's see now. We're not doing anything, guys. We're sitting. You can sit on your hands now for now. We sit on our hands for now. We don't do anything. We wait for proper confirmation and then we trade. Right. Let's see how it goes. It's playing around, guys. It's honestly just playing around. Is it possible to fill the gap 5149? Where's 5149? What time frame? Are you looking at the 1 hour time frame? Oh, this gap could very nah, I don't. It could be possible, but let's see. It's a big gap here. We need to fill 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, I don't really use 30 minutes. I use either the 1 hour or the 5 minutes or the 1 minute. Basically, those are my three time frames that I use. But we could very well continue dropping lower. But it's gonna take out these spikes maybe, and then we might see a push up. Yo, it's pumping down. Don't do anything, please, guys. Do not do anything yet, please. I don't know. Want to hear that? I blew my account. I blew my account. Whatever. We're not doing anything yet. We're just sitting for now. Okay. We just parking off. Do not do anything yet. The market's still volatile. Okay, the 1 hour candle basically rejected off here. Right. We're still in this 50 to 25% zone. They're pushing up now. Okay, so we reacted pretty good off this gap here. Now we don't see this gap inverse, this gap here getting inverse. That's what I'm looking at for buys. Right, that's what I'm looking at for buys. If we inverse this gap, we close above here, we in. Stop loss will be below here. Stop loss just below this week here. TP we can target there. Okay, we want to see a candle closure. Okay, if it spikes, we don't enter. We don't enter. We don't enter yet, guys. Waiting for candle closure above. Once it closes above, we can enter. See, it's just weekend, guys. We don't. We want to see a proper candle closure. Okay, I'm gonna enter, guys. But B, it's a very risky trade, guys. It's very, very risky, right? So just enter with caution. I'm in, guys. I'm in. Okay. So we in this trade. Entry is about here. Okay, I'm in this trade. I'm in profits already. Okay, we in the buys. In the buys, guys. We're gonna be holding this thing. Let's see now. Stop loss, of course, below here, this week here. That's what I'm looking at. Stop loss there. Oh my god, dude, just really just weak back there. Come on. I hope this is just a retest. Okay, I'm entering one here again. I'm entering here. So I got two entries here now. And I'm gonna close the top entry, break even. Okay, we in profit. We in profit, guys. We in profit. Okay, we in thick profit, guys. In good profit. I'm up 1,300 rand. Okay, 1,300 rand live. Okay. SL at break even. Yeah, you can put your stop loss at break even. Put your stop loss at break even, guys. And you can even take some profit because we've got about 50 pips already. Ah, it's coming for stop loss at break even. That looks like it. Okay, we're holding, guys. Greetings, Martin. Okay, we're still in profit. I closed one position because it was a bit sus. So I closed one. I've got just one running now. 0.1. Okay, so we're in blues currently, as you can see. We're in the blues. We're up about 30 pips, roughly. Okay, come on. Can we get a break? Once we have a break of structure here, I'm hoping for a break of structure of right here. Okay, I did something that I don't normally do. Is I took out my stop loss from break even. I reckon this thing should play out, but it might come back to our entries again. If you wanna take the risk with me, and don't have a stop loss, you can do so as well. If you want to take the risk and put your stop loss back there, you can do so as well. But don't complain that I assume play your account or anything like that. Because I feel like it should retrace. Okay, so I didn't put stop loss at break even. I removed it now. I put it back at the initial. Okay, there we go. We're pushing up. That's why I removed the stop loss from break even. That's why I removed the stop loss from break even, because we would have been taken out. Okay, so where I'll put stop loss at break even once we break this high right here. Okay, so once we break that high, it'll give me confirmation that we have the break of structure, and then we can continue from there. Right? Come on, gold. Break that high, please. Break this high. Once we break this high, we could. We could, guys. We actually could. I'll just check the 5 minute quickly. 15 minutes, sorry. Okay, so we've got this 1 hour gap, this 15 minute gap that we can target basically. This thing is so shit right now. I need to break it. I thought we'll have the break of structure now, but we didn't get that break of structure. I need to see a breakout here. Once we get the breakout here, we flying. We're gonna fly, guys. The breakout, then we're gonna target obviously our next TP. I would say maybe this could be a TP1 right here. I mean, this is roughly about 50 pips already. This could be a TP1. We should get some volume at about half past three, New York session. Ay, 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 it's dropping like mad. It's playing games, yeah. It's playing games, honestly. Yeah, I would say you could enter again if you want to. Just playing games, yo. It's just picking up, it's just creating a range currently. But like I said, the past three, we should get a breakout of this range. Now, good 50-minute candle. Let's see, 50 minutes, probably rejecting, I'm sure. Yeah. It's- If you guys want to put stop loss or break even, you can. But I personally, I'm not doing that because I believe it should go up. I believe it should go up and we should buy up. This thing is so terrible, guys. This thing is terrible, honestly. There's some movement there. Close above. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's coming back in to this range. Flipping hell. What you're trading now? We're trading gold. Ah man, these things keep on dropping now. You can enter if it comes back to our entry. You can enter. If it comes around to our entry, you can enter. We buy NAS. No, we're not buying. This is gold. Like say, you can check it. This is gold. Can you see? Actually, I don't know if you can see it. Oh wait, I'm blocking this thing. Oh shit. This is gold. NAS is buying, by the way. Yeah. Let's see. Can I trade gold on center count? Yes, you can trade gold on a center count. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting and see now. 4 more minutes till the US Open. Let's see. Such a small flight. I didn't know what I'm on. It's rejecting nicely there. I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Come on. Could this be finally it, guys? Could this finally be it? Could this finally be it, man? We got 1 minute left till market open. Ah! What the flip, bruh? Crazy spike down. So those of you who didn't get to enter, you could have entered now at this. In drawdown. Come on, push up, please. Okay, could be pushing up now. Okay, there we go. Come on. Hey man, this thing is so weak. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up. Yes. Why? We're looking into drawdown now. We're going into drawdown. I think you can close your trade. If you want to close your trade, I'm thinking of closing this thing before it does more damage to my account. It's I ended up opening more positions there when we spiked down. Okay, let's see. Buy now. Bro, say buy now. You can buy now if you want to. Okay, it's pushing it back up. I over leveraged there, but I opened more positions. When we went into a bit of drawdown, I entered more positions. So a bit stupid of me, but yeah. I entered when we came back to this fair value gap, when we rejected off this gap, yeah. I entered there more. But let's see. Could just be a liquidity sweep. So let's see. Come on. Okay, it's wicking up nicely. It's rejecting nicely after 1 hour gap. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, gold. Gold, come on. Come on, bruh. Come on. Come on, XA. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Come on, gold. I believe in you. I believe in you, brother. I believe in you. Come on. Come on, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. Come on. I believe in you. I believe in you. Come on. Come on, bruh. Push, 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 push. Come on, gold. I believe in you. You got this. You gotta go up. You gotta go up. You sold so much already. You can do this. You can buy up now. There we go. Come on. Back in profits. We're back in profits. Back in profits. Back in the game, guys. We're back in the blues. We're up. Back in the blues. All right, we're back in the blues. Okay. We're back in the blues, guys. Bismillah. Yes, Bismillah, guys. We're back in the blues. Oh, come on, you nai. Come on. It's rejecting there. Honestly, if you want to close, you can close your trade. It's not looking good, to be honest. Like gold is playing around big time. It's playing with our feelings here. You know, because now I'm in drawdown. Just so you know, it's playing with us. I should have closed the top positions. I'm so stupid. What the flip? I'm gonna close the top positions. I should close the top positions when I get break even. I closed it in drawdown. Flip man. Okay, I'm gonna close these top positions because I'm messed up a bit. I opened too many at the top. Hey, gold is playing games. Honestly, bruh, it's playing games. It just doesn't know what it wants to do. It just doesn't know what it wants to do. But I think it's looking like it's gonna sell further down. Honestly, I don't know. Liquidity is sitting at 5150 and 5200. Yeah, it's like it's in the middle of a range. I said this earlier in the group that we're in the middle of a range. So hey, this thing it's been difficult today, honestly. We're still in profit for the day, but it's been difficult. Okay, let's see. Let's see. CPI didn't grab 200, should go there. If we break 51851, yeah, we're going. So yeah, that's what I marked out here. I think if we break above here, that's what I'm saying. Yo, come on. Yeah, it's just been consolidating the whole time. Now it's consolidating at my entry. It's consolidating at my entry. Honestly, it's just been stressful. I might even just go break even right now. If I get break even, I might just go break even. Okay, still not in profits. So if we break this highs, yeah, we should be good. But just honestly, this thing. What the flip, man? Honestly, what the hell? Honestly, what the flip? This thing is being a cake, honestly. Hey, this thing, guys, honestly, now I regret not going break even. Now I'm regretting not break even. You only regret not going break even after it does something like this. We went up, we did go up we actually went up 100 pips, by the way. We bought up 100 pips from, actually, no, bought about 80 pips. We did buy up 80 pips, guys. So, top positions, one left. Oh my days. Wow, this thing is taking me out. So close to SL. Please let this be the revival trade. That's what I was thinking. We could be coming to fill this FEG right here. This is what I was thinking. We're gonna come all the way down to 540. But if we really have a positive reaction of this gap here, we could very well be going up. Yo, this could be it. Come on, could this be actually it? Could we actually be reversing from this position? If we hit stop loss, I'm out, honestly. I didn't, I managed to close some of my positions, so I am, even if this hits stop loss, it'll be fine. That's coming from a stop loss. It's most likely coming down to fill there, so we could probably get a buy up later, but after I take this loss, I'm not going to trade today. Buys on NAS. Hey, NAS, he ended up hitting full TP. Damn. I'm out, guys. I'm out, guys. I'm out. Took me out. Overall, we are profitable for the day. As you can see, about 11,781 rand. We're up in the blues. Main thing is we're profitable for the day. I hope you guys didn't full port it, or whatever I did. I did something really stupid, honestly. You know what I did, right? I went when this thing spiked down, when it came here, right? And it came here, I full ported here. I don't know what got a hold of me. I said, this thing is gonna play around with this gap here, it's gonna buy up. It didn't do that, right? And then I was like in parking in thick drawdown here. I thought I was gonna blow, but then we came back up here. I closed most of it, and then obviously I left one trade to buy, and obviously that was an unlucky trade and ended up blowing. I mean, not blowing. I ended up taking the L on that one. But the main thing is I didn't. I'm not having a losing day. Main thing is we are profitable for the day, which you guys can see. Okay, this is today, so you guys know this is today, right? I'm not showing you guys yesterday or something like that. Okay, I think that's it, guys. For now, maybe tomorrow we'll do Nasdaq. Nas might sell. To be honest, it looks like it might sell. It did. It is gonna sell, and I marked out this gap here. Basically, if I was gonna sell, I would have sold here. This is a textbook setup, by the way. That would be a textbook setup. Stop loss, break even right about here. TP1, TP2, yeah. But yeah, that's if you want to take the trade, that's up to you, but it looks like it will sell to me. Okay, guys, salams.